Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of 200 and its whole square root. So we solve this problem for all the values of x, and at the last we will be verify that which of the values of x are solution and which of the values of x are extraneous root. So here we move towards the solution of this problem. And now here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to focus this square root term. So here you have the square root of 200, and we break this 200 as in this form. So this is x to the power of x is equals to, here we have this is 2 to the power of 200 square root, and we write this 200 as 100 multiplied by 2. And here we need to use the nicer radical law. You know about that. If we have square root of a multiplied by b, we write it as square root of a multiplied by square root of b. So according to this rule of square root, we just apply here this square root sign separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as x to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of square root of 100 multiplied by square root of 2. Also, you know about that square root of 100 is equals to 10, and we write it as 2 to the power of 10 times of square root of 2. And in the left hand side we have this is x to the power of x. And here further we need some working on the base of this term, and here you see that our base is 2, so we write this 2 as square root of 2 and its whole square. It means that we just apply square and square root on this base term 2, and we write its whole exponent as in this form. This is 2 times of square root of 2. Okay, so here we write this 2 as in this form. And here we need to use the nice exponential law. You know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this exponential law, here we need to multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as square root of 2 and its whole exponent is, this is 2 multiplied by 10 is equals to 20 times of square root of 2. And in the left hand side we have this is x to the power of x. So this implies that we have x to the power of x is equals to, here we need to again break this exponent, and it will be written as square root of 2, and we write this 20 as 5 multiplied by 4. We know that 5 times 4 becomes 20, and we write this square root of 2 as it is. And here we use another exponential law, and you know about that. If we have a to the power of m multiplied by n, so here we move m inside the term, and it will be written as a to the power of m to the power of n. So it means that here we need to move this 5 inside the term, and after moving this it will be written as this is x to the power of x is equals to, this will become the square root of 2 and its whole power is 5, and its whole exponent is 4 times of square root of 2. And now here we need to focus on the base term, and here our base is, this is a square root of 2 and its whole power 5, so that we will just take square root of 2 and its whole power 5. So now here we need to simplify this term. So the meaning of this term is that we need to multiply square root of 2 with 5 times. So when you multiply square root of 2 5 times, it will be written as in this form. And here when you make the pair of this term and this term, it will be written as square root of 2 whole square multiplied by square root of 2 whole square multiplied by square root of 2. So this 2 and this square root are gone, this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by square root of 2. So here we get this is 2 times 2 becomes 4 times of square root of 2. So it means that a square root of 2 to the power of 5 is equals to 4 times square root of 2. And now here we need to replace this value on this base term, so that our this equation is implies that in this form. So we have x to the power of x is equals to, here we replace this value here and it will becomes 4 times of square root of 2, and its whole power is 4 times of square root of 2. And now you see here on both of the sides, if you compare the bases, then we get the value of x is equals to 4 times of square root of 2. And if you compare the exponent, then again you get the value of x is equals to 4 times of square root of 2. So both of these cases we get the same value. So this is the final value of x which we get here in this question. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of x be the solution, or is this value of x be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200. And now here we need to put the value of x into the left hand side and we check its behavior. So when you put it here, it will becomes a 4 times square root of 2 and its whole power is 4 times of square root of 2 is equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200. And here we need to move a little bit backward, and here you see that we will find the value of square root of 2 to the power of 5 is equals to 4 times of square root of 2. So we replace this value here in the base of this term. So when you can replace the above value in the base of this term, it will be written as, so 4 times square root of 2 is equals to square root of 2 to the power of 5, and its whole exponent is 4 times of square root of 2. And here we check that is this equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200 or not. So here we again use the nice exponential line and we multiply these two exponents and it will be written as square root of 2, and its whole power is 5 times 4 becomes 20 into square root of 2. Then we check that is this equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200 or not. So here we again break this 20 as in this form. This is square root of 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 10, and its square root of 2 is equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200. So here we need to move this 2 inside the term and it will be written as square root of 2 and its whole square, and its whole exponent is this is 10, and we write this 10 as square root of 100 because we know that square root of 100 becomes 10. So we write this 10 in the form of square root, and this is equals to 2 to the power of 200 and not. This is the our claim. So here you see that this 2 and this square root are gone and we get here our base is 2, and when we combine these two square root signs, so we get here 100 times 2 becomes 200. So here you see that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of x is equals to 4 the value of x is equals to 4 times the square root of 2 be the solution set of this question. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.